Amazing inventions that are on another level. Best of 2024 so far. Welcome to our countdown of the most mind-blowing inventions of 2024 so far. From revolutionary robots to game-changing gadgets, we're about to explore the most amazing innovations that are truly on another level. So, let's dive right in. URC Spider Boot. Meet the URC Spider Boot, a revolutionary wearable robot that's redefining mobility and rehabilitation. This futuristic boot uses advanced bionic technology to amplify your leg strength, endurance, and agility, making it perfect for individuals with mobility impairments, athletes seeking enhanced performance, and even soldiers on challenging terrain. With its intelligent sensors and AI-powered system, the URC Spider Boot adapts to your movements, providing real-time support and stability. Optic Wash Glasses. A game-changing innovation that's revolutionizing our eye care. These smart glasses use advanced nanotechnology to clean and disinfect your eyes, providing unparalleled relief for dry eyes, allergies, and even conjunctivitis. With a simple blink, the Optic Wash glasses releases a gentle mist of soothing solution, moisturizing and protecting your eyes like never before. These futuristic glasses also monitor your eye health, detecting potential issues before they become serious. Battle Cart. A futuristic all-terrain vehicle that's redefining the concept of mobility. This beast of a cart can tackle any landscape, from rugged mountains to crowded city streets, with its advanced AI power wheels that adapt to any surface. With a range of over 100 miles and a top speed of 25 miles per hour, the Battle Cart is perfect for everything from camping trips to delivery services. It also comes equipped with advanced sensors and augmented reality technology, allowing you to navigate, track packages, and even play games on the go. This cart is a game changer for anyone looking to upgrade their daily routine. Kinetic LED Walls. Introducing the Kinetic LED Walls, a mesmerizing innovation that's redefining the world of interior design and visual entertainment. These futuristic walls are composed of thousands of LED lights that can move and change color in harmony with music, voice commands, or even brain activity. Imagine walking into a room where the walls come alive with a symphony of colors and patterns, creating an immersive experience that's both breathtaking and calming. But that's not all. The Kinetic LED walls also double as a cutting-edge display technology, allowing you to project stunning visuals, play interactive games, and even monitor your smart home devices. With their sleek design and endless customization options, these walls are the ultimate showstopper for luxury homes, museums, and even therapy spaces. As one of the most amazing inventions of 2024, the Kinetic LED walls are a testament to human creativity and the boundless potential of technology. Robotics Cut Eyelash Extension. Get ready to bat those lashes like never before. Introducing the Robotics Cut Eyelash Extension, a revolutionary beauty breakthrough that's about to change the lash game forever. This futuristic wonder uses cutting-edge robotics and AI magic to craft bespoke lashes with precision and speed, ensuring a perfect fit and flawless application that's simply mesmerizing. No more tedious gluing, clumping, or damage to your natural lashes. Just luscious, voluminous beauty that's as quick as it is stunning. Imagine waking up with the most divine, show-stopping lashes that turn heads and stop traffic. The Robotics Cut Eyelash Extension is the ultimate beauty innovation of 2024, taking lash goals to dizzying new heights and making you the queen of the lash jungle. Aiden Paddle Court. A revolutionary sports innovation that's changing the game for athletes and sports enthusiasts alike. This cutting-edge technology transforms any court surface into a smart, interactive, and immersive playing experience. With its advanced sensors and AI-powered software, the ADAN paddle cord tracks player performance, provides real-time feedback, and even offers personalized coaching tips to improve skills. UFO rocking chairs. Get ready to rock into another dimension with the UFO rocking chairs, a mesmerizing innovation that's taking relaxation to new heights. These futuristic pod-like rockers use advanced zero-gravity technology to simulate a weightless experience. With their sleek, extraterrestrial design and calming LED ambience, the UFO rocking chairs transport you to a state of deep serenity. Unit Surf Pool. This cutting-edge pool technology creates a perfect endless wave that's identical to ocean surfing, but without the tides, riptides, or marine life. With its advanced sensors and AI-powered wave generation, the Unit Surf Pool adapts to each surfer's skill level, providing a personalized ride that's both challenging and exhilarating. Imagine being able to surf anytime, anywhere, without ever having to leave the city or worry about ocean conditions. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a total newbie, the Unit Surf Pool is the ultimate surfing experience. Handcrafted waterfall. This stunning invention uses advanced 3D printing technology to create a fully customizable, handcrafted waterfall that can be installed in any home, office, or public space. With its sleek modern design and crystal clear water flow, the handcrafted waterfall creates a soothing, peaceful atmosphere that's both calming and awe-inspiring. It also comes equipped with advanced water purification and circulation systems, ensuring a sustainable and eco-friendly experience. Puma Fast RB. This radical footwear harnesses the power of AI and robotics to create a personalized propulsion system, amplifying your stride and launching you forward like a bullet. With its sleek aerodynamic design and adaptive cushioning, the Puma Fast RB is the ultimate performance enhancer, making you faster, stronger, and more agile than ever imagined. It also tracks your vital signs, monitors your fatigue levels, and even offers personalized coaching tips, making it your personal running coach, trainer, and cheerleader all in one. Get ready to shatter records, defy gravity, and unleash your full potential with the Puma Fast RB. If you're as blown away as we are, then like this video and subscribe for more content that will blow your mind. Share your thought in the comments below, and don't forget to share. We'll catch you in the next video, where we'll explore more cutting-edge innovations that are changing the game.